In this lesson, we're going to talk about exporting any type of site plan with any of the objects into different formats. So you can use it for other products and other elements. So let's take a look at it. So after you design your project, whether it is as simple as just property line or the roof lines or anything else as you see on this screen, you can select your output, right? Select an output, a PDF, a CAD file. We're going to use these two. There are multiple options as well that you can try with. After you select the output, it basically puts it in here. Takes a couple of minutes. Now let's open up the PDF part. So the PDF we have talked about before. So when you open the PDF part, what you will see is the ability to take a look at all the aspects of the PDF, and you have all the layouts and all the measurements. So that's given to you. The other part of it is that you can also use basically the option to open up a CAD file. The CAD file itself is also to the scale, and we can use any CAD viewer for that purpose. So for this purpose, to review the AutoCAD file, I'm using the Autodesk free viewer. It's a browser viewer. You simply open up the file, upload the file to be viewed. You can use any AutoCAD file. This is a DXF file, right? You open that file, it will go ahead and open the process the file itself, and it come out, and as it's completed, then just like any other CAD file, but this one is all to the scale, and basically what you see is what you get. It enables you to process and move it into your favorite application for drafting, for modeling, for whatever you wish. But it all started from having a good site plan in place. Once the document opens up, you can view it. You go to two-dimensional view here. And you could use other tools that are CAD compliant. And you have now basically the same document that you saw, and you can use various CAD tools for measurements and other things. The ability for InQI to use the real data. If you recall, we started with entering one address. The address was here. We developed different aspects of the site plan. We even did some modeling. We put some objects, some elements on the ground. We defined various other objects. At any point that you wish, you can export it out into AutoCAD and you can use it for your project. It is that simple.